Hi guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete Couchsurfing account. For that, first of all, open up your Couchsurfing app on your phone. After you open up your app, be sure that you're logged into your account. On bottom left, you can see the option of manage account. Tap on it. To confirm you want to delete your account, enter your email address. And when you're done, tap on delete. After that, Couchsurfing will send you a link to your email to delete your account. So open up your mail, scroll down, and there you'll see the option of confirm delete. Tap on it. This way you can delete Couchsurfing account. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.